Sponsored by
The Indian Navy showed a blitzering performance in the Arabian Sea through its Operation Sankalp, carefully thwarting piracy and drone attacks. Through its vigilance and alertness, the Indian Navy saved 102 lives, including that of 27 Pakistanis and 30 Iranians in different piracy-related operations. To assist the Indian Navy personnel at the Arabian Ocean and adjoining regions, Indian Navy has deployed 10 warships along with assets like P-8I surveillance aircraft and Sea Guardian drones. At the same time, the Indian Navy, which had recently captured 35 Somali pirates, handed them over to Mumbai police on Saturday after formalities of customs and immigration. These 35 Somalian pirates had targeted 17 crew members of the vessel MV Ruin. However, the Indian Navy actively intervened, and in an 40-hour-long operation, the Navy safely rescued the crew without any injuries while apprehended the pirates. Speaking on the matter, Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar stated that the Indian Navy's Operation Sankalp broke all the myths of quick and brief operations, instead highlighting the importance of prolonged efforts to maintain maritime security. He underlined that the Indian Navy has deployed 11 submarines and 30 warships operating in different parts of the ocean to ensure the coverage of all regions of the interest.
100 days of sustained Op Sankalp has also broken the myth of short and swift operations. So therefore, there is a need to realize that we need to be able to carry forward sustained operations if we need to ensure there is safety, security and stability in the oceans. I just want to say that as of yesterday, we had 11 submarines operating simultaneously at sea. We had more than 35 ships operating at sea. We had more than 5 aircraft deployed in different parts of the Indian Ocean.
Meanwhile, besides the anti-piracy operation in the Arabian Sea, the Indian Navy has also responded to 13 attacks incident to save 110 lives, including 45 Indians and 65 international citizens, the Indian Navy said at a press conference.
आपने पूछा कि ये कब तक चलेगा? तब तक चलेगा जब तक ये इंडियन ओशन रीजन सेफ नहीं होगा, ठीक है? So there is no time limit we can put on it, but we will ensure that we are deployed there and we will take a positive, proactive and affirmative action to ensure that the region is safe and secure.
The Indian Air Force's C-17 transport aircraft crew, which assisted the Indian Navy by airdropping marine commandos and their equipment in the Arabian Sea for its special anti-piracy operation, were also present at the press conference. The press conference by the Indian Navy came after the successful conclusion of its high-stakes anti-piracy operation in the Arabian Sea on Saturday, after handing over 35 Somali pirates to the Mumbai police.